I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by launching Ibis Paint X and creating a canvas that matches your final use. Pick a preset or enter custom dimensions to avoid resizing later. Once created, import any reference image into a separate layer so you can sample colors and maintain proportions. Next, switch to a drawing brush and set the stabilizer to 1 through 3 for cleaner lines. This reduces jitter without slowing you too much. Make sure to lock the reference layer so you don't move it accidentally. Now you'll refine the sketch and establish clean lineart. Lower the sketch layer opacity to 30 to 50%, then add a fresh layer on top for inking. Choose the vector or pen brush and set stabilizer around 3 for consistent strokes. Once lines are done, add layers beneath the lineart for base colors, the fill bucket with auto clip speeds blocking shapes. After filling, use clipping masks for shading and highlights so you can edit color without touching neighboring areas. Finish by adding depth with shading and highlights. Set shadow layers to multiply and highlight layers to overlay or screen, then tweak opacity between 40 and 70% to blend naturally. Once satisfied, merge visible copies to preserve original layers in a backup and export as PNG for transparency or JPG for smaller files. If performance drops, reduce canvas resolution or disable high-resolution preview. Clearing app cache or restarting the tablet often resolves lag and brush stuttering. Do that before redoing complex strokes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.